Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget mud truck video. In today's video, we will finally start putting together the new improved cheap lift on the budget mud truck. And as you probably read in the title of this video, today we'll be installing the 7-inch lift coils on the front of the budget mud truck. Installing lift coils isn't really the most difficult of jobs. When they're this big, it makes it a bit more complicated, but nothing crazy. Just lift up the truck from the chassis, disconnect the control arms, disconnect the shocks, and you should be good to go for most coils. I had to do a little more because of the sheer size of the coils I'm installing and because I will be installing more parts, including the control arms, in later videos. But that's enough talking for now. I'll let you guys enjoy the video and catch up with you at the end. Since at this point my camera started having some issues, I'll give you a quick rundown of all the things you're going to miss during this section of the video. First of all, I disconnected the drive shaft and I put some masking tape on the U-joint caps just so they don't fall off and roll all over the place. Since at that point my axle was completely free from the rest of the truck, once I put the coils in, it pushed that axle forward, which I counteracted by putting some straps on it where the control arms would be and some wheel chucks to hold the wheels from rolling forward or rolling back. Most of that will be in the video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update just in case you see a weird cut in this video or a weird edit. It was my camera. My camera doesn't like working when it's extremely hot outside and I live in a very hot place. As you can see, it went pretty smooth, other than the axle shifting on me a bit when I had the camera off, but that's what the strap and wheel checks are for. The front of the truck is absolutely massive. The camera really does not do it justice. Even on the trailer wheels, the truck is pretty level with the back still on the 43s. As always, if you enjoy this kind of video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.